What is up, you guys? Good morning. Happy Saturday. It is Halloween. I love Halloween. Even though I never really like do anything, I just love it. Carlos and I are going to run some errands right now. I have a couple returns for Amazon, Target, and Torrid. So I'm going to go return those, and then we might pick up a couple things at Target because Carlos and I are going to have a pumpkin carving competition later today, and I'm so excited. I don't think I've carved pumpkins for a few years. I think the last time was like 3 years ago with my students. So I'm just really excited to get creative, and I'm totally gonna win. This is a competition. I'm very competitive, so I will win. But yeah, I think we're going to also watch Hocus Pocus. We might have that on in the background while we're carving. So I don't know, but I just thought I would take you guys along with me. So let's go.
What were you doing?
Buying a car wash.
You guys see how she talks to me? See how she just snapped at me?
Yeah, because you're annoying. Look at this. How cute. I think Cash needs a new toy. There's some super chewers.
Yeah.
Those are hard as a rock, though. Oh my god. Stop it right now.
Puppuccino.
Oh, a puppuccino.
The bark roast. Yeah. Oh, they have the little panels. You can get these for Allison.
Oh yeah. I bet you she has those already. Look at the edgy veggies.
Yeah, that's cool.
There's nothing really like new. Oh, these aren't really toys though. Are they? This is cat.
No, that's a costume.
Look at this.
Look at this guy.
That's not a toy.
For me it is.
I'm sick of the Star Wars. I think these are for, yeah, these are for cats. Oh yeah, it literally says cat right there. Okay, these were already open, but how cute. I am dying. We're trying to find pumpkin carving knives and equipment, but I think they're sold out. They already have so much Christmas stuff out right now. This is the time to get it before everybody buys it. These little pom-poms are cute. Look at these teeny tiny ornaments for a teeny tiny tree. Oh my god, they even have the mini tree skirts. Stop.
Oh, this is cool.
Oh yeah, that is cool. We need a new wreath for the front door.
Do we?
Yeah. You know what I need? Another mug.
You know what you need that we probably don't have?
What?
Fucking cookie cutter.
You guys, my entire garage is literally filled with just nothing but cookie cutters. Let's see. Any ones I don't have? Don't get your tinsel in a tangle. I like that.
Oh, this is this one here. This guy.
That's funny.
I like this little guy.
Oh, I know somebody that got... Are these minis? Stop it right now.
I don't really know.
I already have the mini cutters
Look,
though.
there's one with a T on it.
But I'm not going to have that last name much longer.
Yeah, that's true. But your family does.
I'll always be. I mean, I think I might need a mug. Don't you think?
That one, slay all day.
No, I was just saying I think I need one. Maybe...
I like this one.
I think I might go with this. Oh yeah, they have one that says hubby too, I think.
Well,
is that too much for us?
That's a hard pass for me.
Wow. No, I wanted a Christmas one. I think this one might be.
Still my idea there, huh?
Yeah. Oh, and it's on both sides. Yep. Coppin'. It's a Christmas wonderland. It's Halloween right now, and there's nothing but Christmas stuff out.
I'm pissed.
Ooh, there's more mugs over there.
Okay.
What kind of decor do you think we need?
None.
I knew you were gonna say that. Yeah, I like that. It's for blankets.
Okay.
Ooh, I like this. That would look good maybe up on our... I guess we don't need it now.
No.
Oh yeah, that clock is nice. Okay, this is where I got that dress. So maybe in this vlog I'll put a little sneak peek. We did like a casual photo shoot. It's not really an engagement shoot, kind of. Just to have extra pictures of us, and I got my dress from here, Ava and Viv. I'll pop in a picture so you guys can see, or maybe a few. Also, I got my booties from here from that same picture. They don't have them in store. I was gonna show them, but they're in a vlog I just put up today actually, so
I like these.
check them out. I actually really like those, and I need a new pair of just plain black booties. I've gotten rid of all of my booties pretty much because I want to just restock my closet with a brand new. I actually really like those.
They're on the left right there. There's a 10.
Am I copping or what?
I don't know, are you?
I just have wide feet, so sometimes Target booties don't really
Those are kind of wide.
suit my needs. I can always get them and then return them if they don't work. Also, this is a very similar shirt to the one I just got from Shein. I freaking love it. You can get rid of it. Ow! Oh my god, come on. Thanks. Well, I got a mug and some booties, as you guys saw. If I say booties one more time, in that last vlog I said it at least 100 times.
I know.
We are going, you watched it?
No.
We are going to, we're going to Safeway now, to the grocery store. That way we can get something for dinner tonight. And maybe some snacks for Hocus Pocus and pumpkin carving. Maybe they have pumpkin carving knives. They will. All right, we're going there. Okay, so we just got home from the grocery store, picked up a few things for dinner. We're gonna do like sheet pan nachos tonight, which, delicious. We're just kind of picking up a little bit. We're gonna get those nachos started because I am starving. It's only 3, but what can I say, you know? Okay, so dinner is in the oven. Is that even? I don't even know. And I got something in the mail the other day that I wanted to share with you guys. Jackie's Chocolate. If you guys have never heard of them, they are a monthly subscription service for chocolate. Like, how much better can it get? And I feel like this is especially perfect for us ladies who have a special visitor every month. I mean, you don't even have to go out. It just comes right to your door. Let me tell you, when I received the packaging, it was like wrapped with like dry ice. Like the whole box of chocolate was cold, so you don't have to worry about if you live in like super hot areas, it melting. It will not be melted, trust me. So it came with this little information card and then the box of chocolate. It came with this really cute little like plastic like keychain thing. There's not a ring on it, but you can add one. So it came with that. It came with 2 stickers, which is so cute, and then the chocolate. I did wait. I obviously didn't open it when I got it the other day because the chocolates would be gone. Plus I wanted to unbox it with you guys. So let's open this bad boy up and see what is inside. I'm excited. They gave me like a little informational paper to go with it. And it does say there's approximately 15 chocolates in each box. It is $29.95 a month. That includes free shipping. You can do 3, 6, or 12-month subscriptions. It would make a great gift. And you can always include a free gift message. So if you wanted it to be like a one-time deal, cool. If you wanted it to be an ongoing subscription, even better. So if you guys use the code YouTube at checkout, you'll save $10 off of your first order. So this is what it looks like. So cute. I just think the packaging is adorable. And let's open her up. I know dinner's in the oven, but I'm going to try one of these. I'm just not gonna tell Carlos. He always gets mad when I eat dessert before dinner. Cause like he thinks I'm gonna ruin my appetite. It's like, sweetie, I will still eat, don't worry. Okay, so this is very well packaged. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Look at the pumpkin and the little leaf. How adorable is this? Oh my God. They did mention that the boxes do come with like seasonal chocolate, so every box is not going to be the same. So that is freaking awesome. I think I'm gonna try that boy down there, just a basic plain one. Not basic, but you know what I mean. Not a cutely like decorated one. Is cutely a word? I don't think so. Mmm. That is so delicious. There's just something about chocolate that just makes me happy. So freaking good. 10 out of 10 recommend. Once again, if you guys are interested in this chocolate subscription service, you'll get $10 off using the code YouTube. So yeah, oh my God, I'm so excited. I will leave all the information down below. So we just ate dinner and now we're gonna have a little friendly pumpkin carving competition. So the way we did it was, we were trying to think of something, whether it was just like a typical like jack-o'-lantern or a cat or whatever it may be. We each have our own side of the table and we carve and we see at the end who did the best, but I don't know, I just didn't really like that. So we did random.org, numbers 1 through 26. We got the number 13. The 13th letter of the alphabet is M. So we get to carve anything that starts with the letter M, and then at the end we will flip and we'll see if we can guess what each other carved. So we're gonna get this table all pulled out and ready to go, and we're gonna get to carving. We each have our pumpkin. We each have an idea of what we want to carve, and we each get a knife, a spoon, and a Sharpie. And we can also use our phone like if we want to like get ideas, but no like using like stencils and stuff. So you ready?
Yeah, because who uses stencils?
Well, you got to get it perfect sometimes. So
that's cheating.
let's get started. All right, we're both done. I'm just lighting mine. The only candle we have are like big ones, but that'll work.
You ready?
Wait, shut the lights off.
Okay. Oh yeah. Gotta build the scene, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh! Spooky city. Ready?
Go. I'm pissed. I'm so mad.
Why?
Because yours is so good.
I mean, hey, I told you.
Look at fucking
I like the
mine.
mouse,
This is a mouse.
Yeah. And I did Mickey Mouse.
Dude,
So we kinda
that's
thought the
so
same
good.
thing.
Okay, let's show the camera. Mine's a legit mouse and his is Mickey Mouse. You for sure won. God damn it. Now I'm pissed. So I'm gonna take a picture in the dark like this.
Yeah.
And then we'll do an Instagram poll. We already know who's gonna fucking win. And I always win at everything. I wish I would have given more effort.
Oh yeah, now it's effort, huh?
I truly thought he was gonna turn it around and it was gonna be a mangled mess. And he came out with freaking Mickey Mouse. And meanwhile, I'm over here with a real mouse. Damn, I'm pissed. Okay, I'm gonna pop this up on Instagram right now and we're gonna take a poll even though I know who won. It's empty.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Nino.
So
hi, Charlie.
Hi, Nicole.
we need your opinion, okay? I'm gonna show you 2 pumpkins, and you have to pick which one is the best, okay? Nino and Nicole are having a competition, so ready? I'm gonna show you in 1, 2. Oh wait, hang on. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Which one's better?
The right or the left?
Well, no.
Which one, Nicole? And which
Well, we're not gonna tell you. So there's that one. That's A, and that's B.
Does she know what they are?
Here, let me get you closer.
You could tell her what they are.
So that's a rat. Yeah, I got Rat King over here. And then who's that?
Vicky.
Okay, so which one did better job?
Vicky.
Yeah!
I knew it!
That was Nino's.
I said the rat.
Oh, you cheater. You
The
stinking
rat!
cheater.
It's for sure the rat. Woo!
You stinky
I
potato
knew
head.
it. Zachary Binks. We're just watching a little Hocus Pocus.